Keep your eyes closed and feel me, my beloved child. In the journey of life, there are moments of joy and times of hardship. Today, I speak to you, my cherished followers, offering guidance on how to navigate through difficult times. In the face of challenges, remember that you are not alone, for my love and guidance are with you always. Beloved child, when life's path becomes steep and the road is filled with obstacles, do not despair. Instead, find strength in simplicity. It's not always about grand things. Often, it's the small joys, moments of gratitude, and the beauty of simplicity that sustain your spirit. Cherish these moments, and you'll find resilience in the face of life's trials. As you journey through life, you may encounter storms, moments of turbulence and uncertainty. Just as storms rage on the sea, challenges will come your way. Yet, within you, there is a calm harbor of faith. Hold on to this faith, and you will weather any storm that comes your way. Trust that even in the darkest moments, the light of hope is never extinguished. Beloved child, community is a gift in difficult times. Surround yourself with those who uplift you, share your burdens, and offer solace. Together you can create a network of love and support that strengthens each individual. Community provides a source of comfort and reminds you that you are part of something greater. In the simplicity of life, in the face of storms, and within the embrace of community, you will find moments of closure. Every day has a sunset, a conclusion. Embrace the beauty of closure and learn from life's challenges. Tomorrow brings a new sunrise, a fresh start filled with hope and the promise of new opportunities. Beloved child, in times of difficulty, turn to love, faith, and the simple joys of life. Seek the company of those who share in your journey, and be open to the beauty of closure and new beginnings. Through it all, remember that you are surrounded by my love and guided by the light of faith. My cherished followers, you are not alone. In your moments of sorrow, seek the serenity that comes from embracing the simplicity of life. Find strength in the face of life's storms. Cherish the support of community and welcome the closure that paves the way for new beginnings. Beloved child, my teachings are not burdensome. They are a guide to living a life of purpose, filled with love and compassion. In moments of despair, turn to these teachings. The Sermon on the Mount encapsulates principles that stand the test of time. These teachings reflect the values of humility, compassion, and an enduring spirit that can carry you through difficult times. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. Seek righteousness in your actions, stand up for justice, and strive to create a world where compassion prevails. Beloved child, forgiveness is a beacon of light in challenging times. In the Lord's Prayer, I taught, "Forgive us our debts, as we also have forgiven our debtors." In forgiveness, find freedom, healing, and the strength to move forward. Extend the same forgiveness to others, recognizing the shared humanity that unites you all. My teachings are not meant to burden you, but to offer guidance and light in times of darkness. Through these principles, you can navigate the complexities of life with grace and resilience. Embrace the transformative power of forgiveness and let it be a balm for your soul in difficult times. Beloved child, in moments of hardship, remember the miracles that grace your life. Miracles are not only grand events, but also the small, everyday blessings that illuminate your path. Whether it's the healing touch of a loved one, the beauty of nature, or the warmth of a kind gesture, miracles surround you. In your moments of difficulty, look for these miracles. Recognize the divine presence in the ordinary and let gratitude be your guiding light. When challenges seem insurmountable, the acknowledgement of everyday miracles can provide strength and perspective. Beloved child, you are called to be a peacemaker in times of conflict. In the Beatitudes, I proclaimed, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God." Strive for peace within yourself and extend it to others. Through your actions, contribute to a world where love triumphs over discord and compassion prevails. Beloved child, my journey on earth was not without its trials. In my final moments, as I faced the cross, I exemplified sacrificial love. The crucifixion symbolizes the depth of love and sacrifice, and the resurrection signifies victory over sin and death. Through this sacrifice, redemption is offered to all who believe. In times of difficulty, remember the crucifixion and resurrection. Let the knowledge of my sacrifice be a source of strength and comfort. Just as I overcame the world, you too can find courage and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Beloved child, I leave you with the Great Commission. Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, and teaching them to obey everything I have commanded you. Share the message of love, redemption, and resilience with the world. Be a beacon of hope for those in need, and let the transformative power of faith guide your actions. In your journey through difficult times, hold fast to the teachings of love, forgiveness, humility, and faith. Embrace the simplicity of life, find strength in community, and let the miracles surrounding you be a source of gratitude. In moments of closure, welcome new beginnings, and remember that you are never alone. I am with you always. Please share this video to every one of my followers. This is your God's order.